Oxya spp is a pretty important pest on some food crops. It has a range of pest hosts, enough as maize plants, nuts, rice, cotton, and wheat. The attack-inflicted pests are tear-in leaves, and a heavy attack skeletal leaves it just. Locusts are many pests' main destructive of the plant. Planococcus sp. Above ground damage. Mealybugs feed on stems and leaves by sucking sap, and congregate in sheltered parts, egg sheaths, leaf bases, leaf undersurfaces, around buds, stems, lower parts of fronds, crowns, flowers, where two pieces of fruit touch. Infestations are often not noticed until numerous and unsightly. Sap feeding distorts and yellows foliage. Unchecked infestations on soft-leaf plants, causing them to wilt and die. Damage by citrus cupworm can be substantial because they feed on young fruit. In addition, larvae of the citrus cupworm move around while feeding, usually taking a few bites from numerous leaves, blossoms, or fruit. Young larvae feed mostly on the edges of tender leaves. Older larvae eat holes through leaves and blossoms and into fruit. Several leaf spot diseases of citrus have been associated with cercosporoid fungi in the past. Greasy leaf spot of citrus originally was associated with Cercospora citrigrisea. Phyllotenistis citrella, citrus leaf miner, Africa and Asia. The larva leaves its fecal pellets in a line down the center of the tunnel, for it lies in the tunnel on its ventral surface. In young leaves, the lamina folds over and twists, with a high degree of distortion. Lariomyza sp. Leaf miners generally do not kill plants. Adult flies are small, inconspicuous grayish-black flies 2 to 3 millimeters long. They may be seen walking over the leaves of host plants during winter and spring, but they often go unnoticed. They may fly slowly, making short hopping flights of about 1 meter at a time. Female flies feed by repeatedly puncturing the undersurfaces of young leaves with their ovipositors and sucking up the sap which flows from the wound. Fruit borer, Helicover Parmagera. Symptoms of damage. Young larvae feed on tender foliage. Mature larvae bore circular holes, thrust only a part of its body into fruit and eat the inner content. Identification of pest. Eggs. Eggs are sculptured and creamy white in color. Laid sickly larva shows color variation from greenish to brown. It has dark brown-gray lines on the body with lateral white lines, and also has dark band pupa, brown in color, occurs in soil, leaf, pod and crop debris. Adult, female light pale brownish yellow stout moth, male, pale greenish moth V-shaped speck. Forewing, olive green to pale brown with a dark brown circular spot in the center. Therefore, we need to correctly identify pests for the appropriate control techniques.